Well, here's a riddle for you. What do you get when you cross a snake, a cyclone, 10 years of FPV, and 1,000 drone videos? Well, g'day, Stu here from UAVfutures, and this is probably one of the videos that I am the most excited about. Like 2025, UAVfutures and this giant nope rope, which we are going to get to, let me fill you in. If you've ever watched my videos in the past, you think, you know, Stu, I really like what you're doing. Those keen viewers would have noticed towards the end of 2024, we were really kicking things off. Like, check this, this is a crazy fact. I got more subscribers in 3 months in 2024 than I did for like 3 years prior to that. I've been in this hobby for a decade, and let me tell you right now, I have never been more excited. It's not just the feeling, there's also the results there. Like, you guys are liking the content I make. We're making more videos than ever. We launched DIY-FPV. Like, I am so excited, so passionate about UAVfutures, about getting people flying, about people enjoying this hobby, and you guys are gonna reap a lot of benefits from that. Now, things were ready to kick off in 2025, except, well, we had a cyclone, which did put a bit of a dampener on it. So we've been doing some repairs, but now things are getting back to normal. This is where things get exciting, and I can tell you now, we have had a chance to sort of reevaluate, reassess what I'm doing, what I'm working on, and it is 100% full steam ahead, but even better than before. So both of my kids are going to be in school full time now, so I don't have to worry about that. We're going to be getting some help behind the scenes as well to really kick things along. That means more videos for you guys, more special videos for the members out there, more things on DIY-FPV. Like, if you haven't joined DIY-FPV to find the best prices around, we launched that website for you. But also, besides the map feature and stuff, which is live, we're working on the builder. That's going to be coming, and this video is really just to say, hey, that's where I've been. I know there hasn't been too much action on the channel this month thanks to that stupid cyclone that hit us, and look, I'm glad everyone's okay. And those people who supported, my heart, like, honestly, reading those messages and sort of I read over them with my wife and we looked at all the comments there. Thank you so much for your support there. But now it's time to give back to you guys. So very soon in the future, you're going to start to see a lot of UAVfutures videos. We're going to be seeing a lot of special content on the channel. I've even hidden some pretty cool things you can see. Let me know in the comments down below. There's a couple of mysteries here which are unseen, but kind of a big deal. As well, the renovations, or I guess repairing some of the things that happened from the cyclone. Check this out. So here is a great snake skin, because I was repairing some plaster or gyprock, putting that stuff up, and well, I went to dinner, I came back, and I was like, gee, I don't remember that sort of hanging up there on the wall. What is that? Oh, I think that's a snake skin. Let me just gently kind of pull that. Look at the size of this thing. Like, this thing is bigger than I am. Let's see. So I'll put some pictures on the screen as well. So if you know anything about Australian wildlife, that kind of freaked me out a little bit. And I've still got like 3/4 of the ceiling to take care of. And ever since I found that, I've been a little bit more tentative about just where I'm putting my fingers and hands, and I keep envisioning getting bitten, but it's freaking me out. But anyway, if you've ever wanted to join up to UAVfutures, if you wanted to become a subscriber, if you ever felt like you've left a comment, you have made a difference. I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I can't wait to give back to you guys in 2025. It is going to, like, not only blow my mind, but blow your mind as well. Like, I'm feeling so passionate, so excited. And it's coming through, because we were crushing it in 2024 towards the end, and it is feeling the same. And now that everything is getting repaired, things are coming to a close on fixing those repairs up, you guys are going to benefit. So I want to say thank you so much for that. If you are also a member, which we launched as well, like, that's another thing that happened. I want to say we've got some more exclusive videos coming for you guys. That helps support the channel. Also, that's going to be my Patreon. So I'm going to link those down below, whether you're a patron or whether you're a YouTube member that we've opened up as well, if you'd like to join that. Thank you so much. There should also be like a special badge account, which is coming for those people who are members or patrons over on DIY-FPV. So I will be organizing that soon. And other than that, I want to say it's going to be full steam ahead. I can't wait. And I just want to say thank you. Like, FPV is life-changing, and with your support, and I want to create something for our hobby that we can all enjoy together. So anyway, subscribe for more FPV-related content, and go watch this video. So somewhere up here, there'll be the best video ever made. All right, happy flying.